Hello, welcome at the Diversity Vlog. We're live from, well, not really live. We're here at Comic-Con Holland.
Yes,
and we got a treat.
Yes.
We have these Kinder eggs, Harry Potter, and we're going to unbox them in this video. I'm gonna sit in front of you, and you will start, and then I will do it?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so this is my chair right there. I'm gonna sit there. La 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 la. There we go, look at that. Oh. We have a candle situation here.
We have eggs with candle lights.
Oh, that's also very awesome. Very romantic.
Very
okay,
romantic.
There we go. Open them. We want to know what's inside. Oh my god. I will just film your hands.
Look at it. Oh, pretty. This looks like in the back. And then we snap one open.
Snap.
Ooh, it's Dumbledore.
It's Dumbledore.
Dumbledore.
Oh my god, it's a Funko. Look at that. Well, we already knew, but I mean like a Funko Pop. We know how to do this. I can't do this. You can do it.
I will do it. Yes. Not only is it Dumbledore, it is the Dumbledore from movie 3 and up. And I have Eggy for later. That went really fast, actually.
Yeah, next one.
Alright, then another one. Let's see if this opens up like that as well. Oh, no.
Nope.
This is the jockey side.
No, I think that's the jockey. Oh wait, never mind. No, that's the jockey side because... What does it say? Okay, no, sorry. Sorry, my fault.
Then we got...
It's Ron
Weasley.
Ron Weasley.
Snap that.
No, not gonna do that.
Nope.
So it's in his Hogwarts outfit.
Oh, you can even string him up. It came with a string.
Wait. Oh, it's a keychain.
I don't think I would use it as a keychain.
And then the third one.
The third one is... Oh my god!
Clap.
How do children do this?
I don't know.
Did you know that in Europe they still have the eggs with just the yellow thing in the middle?
Yeah, they're illegal in the USA.
Is it? That's Tom Riddle, I think.
No, I think it's... No.
Oh, Snape!
It's Snape!
Never mind.
That's hair.
But why does he have a man bun?
He does have a man bun. It's Cho Chang, sweetheart.
It's Cho Chang?
It's Cho Chang.
What? But she's in Snape's outfit.
No, she's not. She's in the Ravenclaw.
Yes, Cho Chang. Sorry, Snape. This is Cho Chang.
There she is. So now I'm gonna do my 3 eggies. So just hang on there.
Sorry, Cho.
Sorry, Cho. Eggy time. Okay.
Rip it open.
First one. Gonna rip it open. That is the candy part. Who's it?
What's he in there?
Who's in there? We will see.
It's
a game, I think.
It is a game. Oh,
no, it's let me see. I don't know what it is.
You didn't get a Funko. That's weird.
No, that's mean.
It's mean.
Okay. Let me see if there's a description.
We're unsure what this is, but it also comes with a string.
And it has. Oh no, it has to do so. Okay. It's the Hogwarts Express. Yeah, it's the Hogwarts Express. So, where's the black thingy? Oh, right here.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Sorry, it's upside down.
It's okay. They can see what it is. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's getting worse with the hour.
Yeah. So, I can put the string on it, so it's not really important to do that now.
Oh, now you shove them in there, like they're riding the train. Okay, I see. I get it now.
Let me see. Oh no! It's book holder. It's like book. What's it called?
The bookmarks.
Bookmarks. So bookmarks. We got Ron,
Harry,
and Hermione. And then we got the Hogwarts Express.
That's really cool.
Where's that?
Awesome.
Next one.
Next one. I hope you get a Funko. That's nice.
I hope too. But yeah, you never know.
I actually never tasted these Joy eggs.
No, I didn't. Candy.
Kenny's gold.
No, I was like, I can't see my hands, so I'm like, am I in this?
Oh my god, what's that?
This is
Also another Funko.
Also, yeah, well, it's a Funko related part.
Yeah.
This is. It's a bracelet.
It's a bracelet.
It's a bracelet.
Does it fit adults?
I don't know.
You can wear Harry on your wrist. It's a bracelet.
bracelet.
Pretty. I kind of like it. It's actually a really nice string.
Yeah. It's. I don't think it's. Oh, it's Gryffindor. I see the lion.
Yeah.
So it's Gryffindor. I'm gonna put this right here.
Like you couldn't see it was Gryffindor by the color.
No.
I love it.
Sometimes the same color is used for Hogwarts. So
That is true. When you're Primark.
Yeah. So, last eggie.
Last eggie.
There we go. Last eggie. It's heavy.
Oh,
It's
must be a
heavy.
Funko in there.
Yeah. I hope so.
I hope so. Hope it's Harry. It is a Funko and it's
Hagrid.
No wonder it's heavy.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. Snap.
Shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Well, he said
Hagrid.
he wanted to be an egg, so he said that.
Oh, this is actually so fitting because he wanted a dragon egg and now he was part of an egg.
Oh my god, yeah, you're so right.
Oh,
That's so sweet.
we miss you, Robbie Coltrane.
Yeah, we miss you. So there it is. We got bracelet.
Bracelet.
We got Hagrid. We got the train. Can you get your items? Your
Yes.
Funkos?
And then whoosh. The not Snape. It's
The not
Cho.
Snape. This is Cho Chang.
And
It's
then
not a man
Ron.
bun. This is Cho Chang.
I'm so sorry for everybody who's watching. And Dumbledore. And run, Weasley.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. You can still buy the eggs. I don't know if they're in the Netherlands yet. We got them from Germany. I think France has it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Petite.
you can buy them just one egg or the 3-pack. Yeah, there could be Funkos in there as you saw, or just like little bracelets. It was really cool. So if you liked the video, give a
Thumbs up.
consider subscribing.
Do it.
And while you're here, there's a video about another convention, facts maybe. Here we got another convention, Brussels, and over here is going to be a video that we still have to make. It's going to be butterbeer tasting. Yeah.
And including the one from the New York store in New York.
Yes, yeah, in New York.
In New York.
Yes. See you next
Limited
time.
edition.
Bye.